Vios Club, Corolla Altis Club. I've seen, and this, the most shocking of them all, a Camry XV40 Club. I see, and it's shocking because Altis they still, because XV40 is not a very new product. It's quite an aged product. Oh, XV50s, 4 of them, in comparison to a whack billion of Vios and XV40. Interesting. There are some stuff over there. That's the car park for a guest. But this is the main booth, I guess. Lucky draw. We're gonna go one round around the place, so Toyo tire. Denso air conditioning, I guess. No, they make wiper blades apparently. Interesting. Here is TRD Racing Development with collaboration with Wing Hin, Motorsports, Center Bahad, Modis. The Drive Energy drink. This is the showroom. We'll cut to the clip now. Okay, and then inside that's the car park I came from just now. Here is like that's a pair of Supras there. Here's where they'll do burnouts, I guess. And here is the stage. All about the drive is Toyota's slogan. Sounds a lot like Proton's. It's in the drive slogan. So this is the celebrity pit. And all the cars are in right now, I think. This is part of the racetrack. I presume there's a podium for people to sit there. Want to backtrack a little bit? Okay, never mind. So over here, there's a place where you can, I guess, watch the cars fly by. There are TV screens to like monitor what's happening, which is not much right now. There is the cubicles. Nice Hilux over here. And then we got food and drinks, beverages, got Food Panda. We were smoking just now, don't know why. Food over here, char kway teow, fried chicken, taco and burritos, hot dogs, pies, fries, nachos, pasta, beverages, kebabs. Got menus over there. And then here's a set of games for the kids, and this is interesting. I don't know whether my camera can take it. Basketball, cactus, ring toss, down the duckling, pop the balloon, feed the lion. It's a Yaris. Half is mirror folded, half not. Interesting. Bit of a lounge area for people to sit. This is a big car park. This is a good venue, I think. Let's take a look at this leaderboard, I guess. Not a leaderboard, this is an itinerary for Saturday and Sunday, 9 AM to 6 PM. It is 11 o'clock right now. Okay, let's walk some more. So this is Stadium Batu Kawan. Okay, just to keep this up, they have water tanks. Just I'll show you this empty part. They've been doing that. That's here. The ring. Ooh. This is an interesting booth as well. It's a bit of a workshop. Art of Speed, Malaysia exhibition and workshop. Basically, they teach you about engine and transmissions, if I'm not mistaken. They got an old KE10 and KE36 wagon on display. I'm not sure that I'm allowed to photograph that because just now I overheard somebody getting scolded for photography. Pretty cool.
Itu ni four throttle. Dia pakai slick tire. So ini atas highway, jangan main lah. Dia punya pedih jahat sikit ya. Ini slick tire lah, jangan main lah.
Harley Davidson of Penang. Got mopeds also for sale, I guess. Not really direct competition to Toyota, so I guess they're allowed here. And then we got this supergtmalaysia.com booth as well, where there is more eSIM simulators as well as a McLaren F1 apparently. So it's the Gazoo Malaysia Penang Racing Festival. You do a lot of walking, you come here, spend about 1-2 hours, maybe more if you want to look at a race. A lot of fun activities. So yeah, I decided to do a voiceover instead of just walking around because unlike the hot air balloon festival, there was a lot of music playing. It'll be a bit boring if I didn't do any talking. So hopefully my commentary has been helpful. Been rambling on for like 7 minutes 41 seconds. So that'll do it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you're wondering about the turnout for such an event, it's pretty impressive. You know, the turnout is because you don't even need to be a car person and you can come and enjoy the event. Okay, there are just a lot of cars. This car park is very big, very big. But there are cars, I would say at least 200, 300, even maybe 400 cars in this car park. Not as interesting as the other car park, because it's very common cars we see on the road, but nonetheless very cool to see the fantastic response. Oh, 2 purple houses, 1 S1 SE. Where did I park my car?